Good morning and welcome to a freezing cold Sunday here on Merseyside. Today we're going to crack on with one of those winter jobs I've been putting off for the past 2 winters, namely the sound deadening. We'll be covering the driver and passenger side footwells with some material I bought some time ago. But what we'll do first is I'll walk around the car and I'll show you what I've done so far in the footwells. I'll also show you the sound deadening material that we're going to be using, and hopefully we'll have it finished by end of play today. So what I'll do is I'll take you around, show you what I've done, and then we'll move on to getting the sound deadening in. Okay, that's all going to be put on time lapse. So let's just crack on and see how it goes. Okay, oh, this way. Right, so there we go. As you can see, both sides have had a little bit of work done on them, in so much as they've been practically rebuilt. Quite a few patch panels have gone in there. There's an awful lot of welding gone on. We've got new inner sills both sides, all the outer sills obviously both sides, and we've got the inner membrane and the castle rail and whatever underneath. Bit of patchwork up the top end there in the both footwells, and the grey paint that you can see there is actually seam sealer, which I managed to get done yesterday. The footwells themselves, both of them, they've had, I think it's 3 coats of red oxide put on them. All right, but also I've taken out all the old it was like bitumen, really, waterproofing, I don't know, who knows. It was bloody awful stuff and it was a nightmare to get out. So I've taken all that out. So what the intention is inside here is to run strips of sound deadening, and up the top of the footwells themselves I'm going to just try and cover that in sound deadening material, and also on the gearbox tunnel I want that covering with the sound deadening material as well. I don't think I'm going to have enough to do the wheel arches. However, the wheel arches do need a bit of a clean out first, but we'll go as far as we possibly can with what I have, and like I say, it'll all be put on time lapse, and yeah, let's just crack on with it, eh? As I said, I'll be showing you what I'll be using in the way of sound deadening material, and what I've purchased earlier on this year is a vibro filter. I got 15 sheets. The sheets measure, I think it's 7 by 10 inches. Like I say, 15 sheets, and that came in at under 20 quid. Now, I don't know whether that's good or bad. I've only ever bought that kind of stuff once before, and that was when I was doing my camper van. But that said, so with the 15 sheets, I'm hopefully going to get some good coverage out of them. But like I say, we will see. If I have to get some more, I have to get some more. All right, let's crack on with it. Right, so there we go. There we've got the firewall, footwell, inner sill, and the small recessed areas within the driver's side compartment. All done. Moving along to the back, and yeah, we've got the back bit there. So the next time that you're going to see this, the tunnel will be done and the passenger side will all be completed, sound deadened out, and yeah, hopefully it'll look really smart. All right, so I'll be getting on with that. So the next time that you see it, it'll all be done. Okay, and there we have it, all done. I'm not gonna lie, it was a world-class pain in the backside. So what is just taking you probably about a nanosecond to go from one piece to the next, this is probably about 2 weeks down the line. The reason for that is I've had to wait for the delivery of the sound deadening stuff turning up, and yeah, it just took a little bit longer than I expected it to. But that said, it's done. It's finished. It's as good as I could possibly get it. Bearing in mind that once we put the underfelt in and the carpet on top of that, then the sound deadening itself, or the noise reduction, should be really good. So with that, I think we're going to end the video there. But once again, thanks for watching one man's journey on trying to put an MGB GT of a 1972 variety back on the road. So the next job, I think I'll be looking at doing the door cards. I've got some stuff ready to do the door cards, so we'll be cracking on with that in the next one. But thanks for watching. Okay, you take it easy, have a good one. See you again soon. Bye for now.